At Twilio, AI is infused at every layer of our platform. When it comes to Twilio Segment, we put the power of predictive AI directly in the hands of marketers. No data science team required. With predictions, you can say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precise personalization with out-of-the-box AI models. These models let you predict and act on future customer behavior in an easy-to-use, no-code builder. And each can help you drive positive business outcomes across a variety of use cases. You can choose from various predictive models such as likelihood to purchase, predictive lifetime value, and likelihood to churn. Trying to improve your return on ad spend? Use the likelihood to purchase model. Here you can predict how likely someone is to complete an order, and you can set the time period to the next 30 days. This allows you to create an audience of users with a high likelihood to purchase, then use it to build more powerful lookalike audiences in your top ad platforms. It can also allow you to suppress ads to those who are less likely to buy, saving you ad spend while boosting conversions. Want to know who your most valuable customers are? The predictive lifetime value model forecasts a customer's future spend. You know exactly who to target with special offers and perks to ensure that you continue to earn their loyalty. What if you could prevent someone from disengaging with your brand before it happened? The likelihood to churn prediction makes it easy to proactively identify high-risk customers. You can then trigger tailored retention campaigns or launch win-back efforts with a higher chance of success. The power of prediction also allows you to calculate the likelihood of any group of users to perform any event you track in Segment. You can do this through the Custom Predictive Goals model. How likely is a customer to add an item to a wish list? Will they click on an ad? Are they likely to open an email? In Segment, you can predict this behavior in just a few clicks and easily discover audiences primed for personalized engagement. The best part? You can define your predictions in our no-code builder, then explore the results at a glance. You can also see the underlying data points for each prediction and how they contribute to the AI model. Marketers and data teams then trust the results. Explore visualizes the prediction data and lets you easily cohort that data to create audiences for targeted campaigns or customer journeys. Every prediction created in Segment automatically becomes an AI trait saved to the customer profile. This helps you power more timely, targeted, and personalized customer experiences with every future interaction. Need new campaign ideas? Segment has your back by suggesting predictive audiences such as ready to buy, high LTV, or potential VIPs. There are also long shots of audiences of dormant users to choose from. You can invite people from the potential VIPs audience to your loyalty programs to continue to grow customer lifetime value. Or send a win-back offer to those in the dormant audience to help reduce churn. With Segment's AI, marketers can easily make granular predictions based on their own AI-ready data in Segment in just a few clicks, saving you time and boosting campaign performance.